Good evening, class.
Good evening.
Today we're going to be working on two-step equations. Okay, and our objectives for today is going to be students will be able to identify and solve two-step equations. Okay, and I've constructed a little chant that can help us remember what to do when we're doing this lesson. Okay, and I'm going to say it, and then we're going to say it together. Okay? Two-step equations. Multiply or divide, add or subtract. Do the inverse operation, and that'll be the facts. Okay? Now we're going to say it together. Ready? Two-step equations. Multiply or divide, add or subtract. Do the inverse operations, and that'll be the facts. Good job, class. Okay, next we're going to be doing some review questions, and these are going to be our true and false. So number 1 says the inverse operation of addition is subtraction. Think back to that chant that we just got done saying together. Is addition and subtraction paired with each other on that chant?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Okay. So is this statement going to be true or false?
True.
True. That's correct. Number 2 says division is the inverse operation of addition. Thinking back to that chant that we just did, is division paired with subtraction?
No.
No. So what is division paired up with?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. So there's 2 ways that we can write this. We can say division is the inverse operation of
Multiplication.
multiplication. Okay, or we can say it like this. False, subtraction is the inverse operation of addition. And that'll be a true statement as well. Okay, our question. When we think about two-step equations, what makes up a two-step equations? What are some of those components?
Variables.
Okay, I hear somebody saying variables. I hear somebody said decimals. Maybe our numbers, coefficients.
Equal sign.
Okay, the equal signs are all signs.
Whole numbers.
Okay, whole numbers. Those are really good answers, guys. We said coefficients, variables, are signs, are numbers. An example I've written up here is 5x plus 9 equals 16. And what is our x again? That is our variable. And then the number in front of the x is our coefficient. That's correct, guys. Okay, we're going to practice some two-step equations together. The first step that we're going to do is rewrite the problem. So that's going to be 48 over x is equal to 2. What is the first step to getting that x out of that denominator? So what can we do, Patrick?
Multiply x by both sides.
So we can take x and multiply it on both sides. Those x's are going to cancel, which leaves me 48 equals 2x. And I could just write it like that. What is the next step that we're going to do in this equation?
Divide side by 2x.
So we're going to divide both sides by 2x to get that x by itself. So those 2's are going to cancel. That leaves me with x is equal to what's 48 divided by 2?
24.
24. That's correct, guys. So we can just double check that. 48 divided by 24 equals 2. If we put that in our calculators, 48 divided by 2, or just think about it, we know that that is
24.
48 divided by 24 is what?
2.
2. And then 2 is equal to 2. Does that check out?
Yes.
It does. All right. And our next question. We're going to be talking about 3x plus 4 equals 17. Patrick, can you tell me what the answer to this is?
13 over 3.
13 over 3. Okay. We have 3x over... or the 3 is going to be incorporated with multiplying by the 13 over 3. Plus 4 equals 17. Those 3's are going to cancel. 13 plus 4 equals 17. 17 equals 17. And does that check out, guys?
Yes.
Yes, it does.